Hi, welcome. Today I will show you how you can install Onhaxpk modded apps. So let's start the video. Go to C drive, or where your Windows installed. Now create a patch folder in C drive root directory. I have this folder already. Whenever I will post any app on my website, I will add this video to the article, so anyone can follow this and get your modded app. I will add 3 files in every article. So you have to download this appx file and bring here in patch folder. This is Windows 10 application package file. Then you need to download the compressed or zip file, in which I did some modification to make it premium. Then download Onhaxpk installer bat file. All the files are very important, so you need to follow the process and download every file. First, let me show you there is no virus in any file. My Windows Defender is running. Before installing the files, you need to turn on the developer mode from settings. To do that, go to Windows Settings. Click on Update and Security. Then click on For Developers. You will see option like this. Now turn on the developer mode. When you will turn on developer mode, it will download some files, so it can take some time. Wait for it to download files. After that, close the settings and double-click on appx file. It will show you window like this. Uncheck this box and click on Install button. It will take some time to install it. But if someone stuck here on installation process, contact me on Discord. I will solve your problem. After installation is complete, close this window. Go to Start menu. Right-click on the app which you just installed. In my case, this was Screen Recorder 4. Now you have to uninstall this. You must have to uninstall it, otherwise it will give you error. Now go back to patch folder again. Right-click on zip file and click on extract here. It will ask you for the password. Enter Onhaxpk here. After extracting the file, now to inside that folder which you just extracted. Click here and copy the path of it. Go back and edit the Onhaxpk installer file. Right-click on the bat file, and then click on Edit. Now here you have to paste the path of the folder, which you copied just now. After changing the path, now save this file. Now right-click on Installer bat file. Run this file as administrator. This will show you command prompt. Read the instructions one more time. If you are missing something, then you can go back and watch the video again and perform that step. Now double press the Enter key to install this modded app. After installation is complete, it will redirect you here on this video. Please watch the full video. Like it and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Press any key to close it. Now you can delete all the files which you downloaded from my website. But do not delete the extracted folder. Also, don't change its location. Modded app installed in this folder, so be careful. Now go to Start menu and open the modded app. It will work perfectly. If you face any issue with any app you just try to install from my website, you can ask for the help on Discord or on my Facebook page. You can find both link on my website. If you like my work, then share it with friends. You want me to patch any app, you can request on Discord. Like this video and subscribe the channel. I will see you next time. Till then, goodbye.